Namaste and welcome to our channel, where we dive deep into the ancient practices of yoga to nurture the body, mind and soul. Today's video is all about Yoni Mudra, a sacred hand gesture that connects us to the source of creation and unlocks deep meditative states. We'll not only explore the symbolism and philosophy behind this mudra, but also guide you step by step through both its variations, explaining their specific benefits and how to integrate them into your daily yoga practice. Stay till the end because I will also share tips to amplify its effects and how it connects to other powerful yoga practices. Let's begin. Let's start with the meaning of the name. The word yoni comes from the Sanskrit and means womb or source. This mudra symbolizes the womb of creation, the space where life begins, grows and transforms. When we practice Yoni Mudra, we aim to return to that state of inner stillness and peace, much like a baby in the womb, detached from the chaos of the external world. This mudra is a powerful tool for balancing energies, calming the mind and preparing for deeper meditation. It is not just a symbolic gesture, but a tool for reconnecting with the source of life itself, activating our creative energy and aligning with the subtle energies of the universe. Here is how to perform the traditional variation of Yoni Mudra. First, find a comfortable seated posture like Sukhasana, Padmasana or Vajrasana. Ensure your spine is upright and your shoulders are relaxed. Second, bring your both palms together, fingers pointing outwards and away from your body. Third, interlock your middle finger, ring finger and little fingers inwards, ensuring the backs of these fingers touch. Now fourth, join the pads of your thumb and rest them towards your body to form the base of a womb shape. Fifth, bring the tip of your index fingers together, creating the upper curve of the womb. Sixth, rest your hand comfortably in your lap, allowing your elbows to point outwards naturally. Take a moment to notice how these postures open your chest and shoulders. It encourages better breathing, activates energy flow, and creates a natural sense of stability and relaxation. The traditional variation of Yoni Mudra offers a multitude of benefits. First, balances energy. The interlocking of fingers allows prana, life energy, to flow freely between the hands, harmonizing the Ida and Pingla nadis or energy channels. Second, it enhances concentration. It redirects scattered energy back into the body, sharpening focus and enhancing meditation. Third, emotional stability. It calms the nervous system, balances emotions and reduces stress. Fourth, reproductive health. For women, this mudra revitalizes the reproductive system, eases menstrual discomfort, regulates bleeding and alleviates menopausal symptoms. Fifth, activates chakra. It stimulates the root chakra, Muladhara and sacral chakra, Swadhisthana, awakening creative and grounding energy. In essence, this mudra nurtures our connection to feminine energy, fostering a sense of compassion and creativity. Now, let's explore a slightly different version of Yoni Mudra. While the benefits are similar, this variation alters the flow of pranic energy and provides a unique experience. Here is how you do it. First, begin in the same comfortable seated posture. Second, interlock the middle, ring and little fingers outwards, keeping them untwisted. Third, extend your index finger straight out, keeping them side to side. Fourth, cross your thumbs in front of the index finger or extend them outwards with their pads touching. Fifth, rest the mudra in your lap, keeping the chest open and spine tall. This variation has its own unique strengths. First, enhanced root chakra activation. It deeply stimulates grounding energy, helping you feel centered and stable. Second, energy flow and focus. The outward alignment of fingers allows for a broader pranic circulation connecting inner and outer energy fields. Third, creativity and vitality. It strengthens the connection to creative feminine energy, nurturing compassion and dynamism. Both variations are immensely powerful. Choose the one that resonates with your intention or practice both to experience their full spectrum of benefits. Yoni Mudra is a doorway to Pratyahara, the withdrawal of senses, which is the fifth limb of yoga. Once you hold the mudra, close your eyes and take a few deep, slow breaths. Visualize yourself retreating inwards like a baby in the womb, free from external distractions. With each breath, feel the energy cycling through your hands, harmonizing your mind, body, and spirit. Allow this stillness to prepare you for deeper meditation or affirmations like I am connected to the source of life. I am grounded, balanced, and peaceful. To make Yoni Mudra a consistent part of your practice, keep these tips in mind. First, time and duration. Practice it for 10 to 15 minutes daily, preferably in the morning or before meditation. Second, combine with breath work. Pair it with slow diaphragmatic breathing or pranayama practices like Nadi Shodhan for enhanced effects. Third, mantra integration. Chant mantras like Om Shakti or Om Mooladhara to deepen your focus. Fourth, consistency. Like all yoga practices, regularity is key to experiencing its transformative benefits. Yoni Mudra is a powerful practice that helps us return to our inner sanctuary and balances our energies. Incorporate it into your daily routine and share your experiences in the comments below. I would love to hear how it transforms your practice. Be sure to check out our playlist on Yoga Mudras to explore other powerful gestures, and our series on chakras to deepen your connection to subtle energy. Don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth yoga videos like this one. Stay connected, stay balanced, and let the light within guide you. Until next time, Namaste.